Okay, we finally got some rain. I'm going to do 2 weatherproof or waterproofing tests for products here. One on the Spark 2 red dot. We're running into this dripping water here. It's already on, you can see there. Still on. And the second product is the TLR1 HL from Streamlight. It's supposed to be waterproof, so we're going to turn this bad boy on, throw it right in this puddle. That looks like success to me, man. Hell yeah. Very nice.